Angie Edge from the Dairy Farmers of Wisconsin joins us now. What'd you bring for us?
Well, happy Cinco de Mayo.
Happy Cinco de Mayo to you too.
Everybody's celebrating, and we're celebrating today with some great Wisconsin cheeses. So believe it or not, Wisconsin is a huge producer of Hispanic-style cheeses, making a third of all the Hispanic cheeses in the U.S. So lots of local favorites too. So we have a fun fiesta cheese board and also a queso beer dip, perfect for that chips and salsa and margaritas. So
that sounds great.
Maybe some entertaining ideas for tonight. All the cheeses that I have today on the cheese board are very local. One of them is a queso fresco made by Caesar's cheese, and then a Oaxaca cheese also made by Caesar's, made handmade the old-fashioned way and made in Plain, Wisconsin, so not far from here at all. So you can see this is the Mexican-style string cheese. It's a Oaxaca. Very meltable, but also just a fun cheese to snack on as well.
Do you mind if I try it?
Yeah, absolutely.
To see how this is
the
different
kids will love it too because it looks like a mozzarella string cheese.
Oh, perfect.
Yeah, so all of these are very kid-friendly. You know, they have a great meltable capabilities. This is the queso quesadilla, the Chihuahua cheese.
The Chihuahua quesadilla.
Yeah,
okay.
and this is actually in the beer cheese dip and also on the board. It melts great. And then we also have a spicy cheese. It's a jalapeno Munster cheese.
Munster.
Oh, you got some margaritas for us. All right.
Happy Cinco de Mayo.
Yeah, cheers to the Wisconsin dairy farmers.
There we go.
Yeah.